Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasleem and I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to talk on a very interesting topic, and that is how you can use Quora to make money. So in this session we will talk on 3 points, and these are what is Quora, and what is Quora partnership program, and how you can use Quora to make money online. Talking of a few years back, only YouTube and Google, these were the two platforms from which anyone could do online earning. Then, after these two platforms, Facebook also started monetization. Then, in 2009, this website Quora was also started by an American company. You won't believe, but let me tell you, I also came to know about this fact yesterday only, that people are even earning in lakhs through this website. So, most of you must have heard about this website already, but let me tell you what Quora is. So, whenever you are searching something on Google, for example, you are searching how to become fluent in English, then among the top 10 websites, you will see the Quora's answer as well. So, you can get answer of any question on Quora. So, nowadays, Quora is becoming quite famous in India. Quora is a question and answer website. On Quora, you can ask any type of question and you can answer the question at the same time. For example, if you are good at studies, so you can choose any topic, like how you can become fluent in English and how to solve this question. So you can raise the question by yourself and you can answer the question at the same time. So many visitors will visit that answer and they will also review your answer, and if they have their own views and information, then they will also share the answer. For example, if you are preparing for UPSC exam and you have successfully cleared it, so you can help others, like how you have done that, and you can share your own tips. So people will read your answers and they will also share their ideas with you. So in this way, this Quora is a platform where people achieve knowledge and they can share their knowledge. Now you must have understood about what exactly Quora is. Let me tell you what is Quora partnership program and how this program works. Quora partnership program is a program that gives you a platform to make money online. So this is basically an invitation system program. You cannot join this program directly unless Quora has invited you. Through Quora partnership program, you can ask any type of question and the experts will answer to those questions. So what Quora will do here, Quora will show advertisements on your questions, and a major portion of your revenue will be generated from those advertisements. So this revenue will be shared with you. So the way you earn money by Google or YouTube by applying for AdSense, so in the same way you will earn money from Quora by advertisements. So this monetization is not applied to every Quora member. So this is applied to those members only whom Quora invites by themselves. So now I'm going to share some tips with you which will help you in getting invitation from Quora. My first tip is that the content of your question and answer must be original. You cannot copy others' content. Rather, I would suggest you to share your own experiences, share your own ideas. Do not write for votes or views. My second tip is that you should be an active member on Quora. So try to ask questions regularly on Quora, right? So my third tip is that do not write on Quora just to impress people. Write on Quora to express your thoughts. I would suggest you to be wise with your words and you should be decent in your words. Right? So my fourth tip is that try to ask these type of question on Quora which will inspire people to read and to reply, right? So I hope all these tips will help you to get invitation from Quora. If you follow these tips, then you will surely get invitation from Quora. So now we have talked on what Quora is and what is Quora partnership program. Now I will suggest you two ways through which you can make money from Quora. So one is the indirect way and one is direct way. So Quora partnership program is a direct way of earning money from Quora. Now I will tell you how you can indirectly make money from Quora. Suppose you are an expert in some field and you have already shared your knowledge on Quora. So someone is also searching for that knowledge. So that person comes across your article and he read your whole article. So he got information, every information from your article, right? So what you can do here, you can mention your link of your blog or of your website over that answer. So the visitor who is already impressed by your answer, he may visit your blog, or he can become a permanent subscriber of your blog, right? So in this way you can make money from Quora indirectly. So even if you are running a business, then Quora can help you in promoting that business, and you can do marketing with the help of Quora. So I hope you have understood what Quora is, and what is Quora partnership program, and how you can use Quora to make money online. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.